Okay, we're going to take a look at simplifying this and taking a look at why we can't cancel out that x squared in this problem. So what we can do here is make this x over x squared minus 1 by foiling the bottom there. Now the question really is, why can't x cancel out with x squared down here? So like, why doesn't this work? Because it does not work. Right? Why is it not 1 over x minus 1 where the x would cancel with the x squared? Well, it's because the x squared here is attached with the subtraction. Okay? And when we attach something with addition or subtraction, we can't just cancel out the x's here. And it's also partly because we're writing x squared minus 1, but it represents this situation in the denominator here. And even in the denominator here, you can't cancel out x's because we have, again, attached with addition and subtraction. Now, a situation where this could work, so this is a situation where it can't work because of that attach with addition and subtraction, but a situation where this could possibly work is something we could see if we had like x over x squared minus x. Because in this situation, what we can do then is we can have x over, and you could factor out an x, so you'd have x minus 1, and since now this is attached with multiplication here, that x can cancel with this x here. And you would just be left with, in this case, which is not, again, the problem, 1 over x minus 1. Okay, so it really has to be able to factor out an x. If you have that addition or subtraction, you really need to be able to factor out an x for it to cancel with anything in the numerator, like we saw in this second example. And that's something we cannot do here. We can't factor out an x in this denominator. It's attached with that subtraction, so there is no canceling out. I hope the video here helps make some sense of this. And if you have questions, anything, related to this or even ACT prep, I'm happy to help.